The types of personal injury cases that we handle include car wrecks, 18-wheeler wrecks, trucking accidents, commercial vehicle accidents, bed bugs, dog bites, traumatic brain injury, slip and falls, you name it. If there's an injury, we'd love to talk to you about your case. I think the stereotype of personal injury attorneys in the industry is that they're egotistical and arrogant and only care about money. At our firm, we are not arrogant. We are very caring and very compassionate, and we give you the individualized service that we think you deserve. Personal injury cases are sometimes about money for some people, right? They just want to go out and get the maximum amount that they can get. For the clients that we love to work with and serve, it's really about being made whole, not trying to get rich off of it, but knowing that the injuries that they've sustained need some type of compensation to repair their property damage, to take care of their emotional trauma, to take care of their pain and suffering, their hospital bills, because so many people get hurt and then they don't have enough money to take care of that, the lost wages, the pain and suffering, the hospital bills, and that's awful. So we're here to help those people. The insurance companies definitely do not have our clients' best interest in mind. They have their own monetary interest in mind. Their goal is to pay clients the minimum amount that they think they can get away with, that the client might possibly say yes. But clients need more than that. And so we fight for them to get the right amount to cover what they need for their pain and suffering, their lost wages, their medical damages. Someone's got to hold those insurance companies accountable. With personal injury cases, there can be property damage. Maybe a car is wrecked or property is damaged at a house or motorcycle or bicycle or similar. It could also be medical damages, hospital bills, therapy, treatment over time, medications. There could be pain and suffering that could last for a really long time. There could be life-altering and lifelong injuries from a spinal injury or a brain injury or a back injury. And then there's the lost wages. Maybe the person was out of work for a week, a month, 6 months. Maybe they can't go back to the same job and earn the same income. Maybe they can't go back to work, period. The party that gets held liable is the one who is careless, negligent, at fault, the one who maybe caused the wreck, the one who caused the traumatic brain injury or ran into the motorcycle or knocked a bicyclist off the road. I believe our clients hire us because we're responsive. We tend to get back to them quickly when they contact us. We give very personalized service. It's not handing off to clerks here and there. We have upfront pricing that's transparent on our website, and that's very different for our industry, which is typically not going to tell you the price up front. We have extremely competitive fees, and on our personal injury contingency cases, we have lower contingency fees than industry average. I think to know what our clients would say about us, you could just go online and read the reviews. There's over 500 reviews across Yelp, Google, Justia, Avvo, lots of different places next door where people leave reviews. And the things that they tend to say about us is we have personalized service, we're efficient. We are a firm where they didn't have the stress and anxiety that they thought they would feel when they were seeking out a law firm. They enjoyed the one-on-one style service that we provide, and they've just really enjoyed working with us, and we enjoy our clients. Like, we get a lot of gratitude ourselves in serving our clients. Client communication is vital. Clients need to know that we care. And one of the ways they get to see that we care is by a quick response. Now, we're not always able to call them back immediately, but really as a firm, we have a goal of trying to contact them within 7 minutes. We can't guarantee that, but we try hard, and we try to email them and call them back or text them just as quickly as we can, because it sets the pace for who we are as a firm. We're responsive, we're personalized, and we really care about them. And if we take days to get back to them, they're not going to think that we care. We really do care, and it shows in our response times. We are a small boutique firm, and I think that serves our clients well because they get that individualized one-on-one service, that customization where they're not just being pawned off to another lower level attorney or to a clerk or to an admin. We're really getting in deep with them one-on-one with the attorney they're working with. Or in some cases, we have a few attorneys that we work with. But I think that small boutique-y feel really helps our clients know that they're going to get the service that they deserve. When you contact our firm, we're going to give you a quick response. We're going to email you, call you, text you, try to get you on the phone so that we can learn about your problem. We can understand and listen to you what happened. because we really want to hear about the situation. We want to understand what the damages are, the physical damages, the pain and suffering, the medical damages, so that we can get a good feel for your case. And then from there, we're going to decide if it's a good fit for us to work with you and for you to work with us. And if it is, then we'll sign an engagement letter and we'll start representing you.